Healthcare logistics in New Zealand encompasses third-party logistics and fourth-party logistics. We're one of the biggest suppliers nationally of pharmaceutical product, med devices and things of the sort into both wholesaler market, hospitals and a little bit of direct-to-patient market as well. Cleanliness and hygiene is critical to a business like ours because we are heavily regulated by MedSafe. We have a lot of internal audits via our customers and our principals, and we are trusted with product to keep that safe for ourselves and for the wider New Zealand public as well. It's important for healthcare logistics to select the right partners that share the same vision and care and quality to our environment that we work in as well. The deployment of Kärcher is our first step in our automation journey at this facility, which we've future-proofed. And it's allowed us to focus more on the actual tasks of picking, packing and distribution of product. And it also allows our team to start interacting with automation and start getting used to it because there's bigger things to come.
Not all robotic cleaners are the same, and we wanted a true autonomous system, not a manual ride-on system with a bolt-on third-party software that did the job for them. So with Kärcher, we have a robot that was designed from the ground up to be a fully autonomous operating system. With the Kärcher system, we have it in software. It's recorded by day, by how much detergent is used, by the square meters that's cleaned for the day, and the hours that are operated within. One of the big benefits is that we've got flexibility in the scheduling of the cleaning duties. So if we're having a busy day in the warehouse where there's a lot of inbound and outbound movement, we can schedule Kärcher to run after hours or outside those busy peak periods. And the way it is set up now, it's cleaning more frequently than what our manual systems used to operate under. So therefore the standard of the clean is increased on the back of that. There's health and safety benefits from not having manual staff operating in the same aisles as other equipment. What I can't emphasise enough has been the support we've had from Ryan and the Kärcher team through this journey. My advice for other distribution managers is if they're looking at automation of their cleaning equipment, just do it.